Ulaika. There is no waw madda because waw become madda when waw has a jazm sign, dal shaped sign, this sign on it. Before waw sakina, zamma come, then you stretch waw up to one finger. This is pesh on, this is zamma on hamza. So you will read hamza here, hamza pesh u. Lam vertical fatha mad la. So when after mad, if the next letter is hamza, then you stretch mad because of hamza after it up to two fingers. So stretch it up to two fingers. Ulaika. Ika. Don't stretch zair. Kasra below hamza. Don't stretch fatha zabar on kaf. Ulaika. Ulaika. أولئك الذين اشتروا الضلالة بالهدى. In kalladhi, there is a ya madda. First of all, zal we read very softly. We have to touch while reading zal our top of the tip of the tongue to the inner edges of top two front teeth and read it very softly. Zal ya kasra the. When ya has a jazm sign on it and before ya sakina kasra come, then you stretch ya up to one finger. This is called ya madda. Zal ya kasra the. Kalladhi. Noon sheen fatha nash. When the letter which has a jazm sign on it, when jazm sign comes on any letter, the letter becomes sakin, and we read sakin letter by joining the haraka of the previous letter. Like we will join noon sheen, noon with sheen, noon sheen fatha nash. Kalladhi nashtara. Read raw with the thick voice when raw has a fatha or zama, zabar or pesh on it, then you read raw with a thick voice. Nashtara wood. Dad is a mustalia letter. Read it with a thick voice, full mouth. And when tashdid comes on any letter, you read that letter two times. First, you have to join dad with pesh, the previous letter haraka, and then you will read dad with its own haraka with a minor slight pause and put a stress on dad while reading second time, like wood would but don't stretch fatha on dad. Would la lata. Stretch vertical fatha because vertical fatha, vertical kasra, inverted zamma, we stretch up to one finger. Would la lata bil huda. Read half from the bottom of your throat and stretch vertical fatha on dal, and ya has no sign on it. Ya is silent here, that is why we are not reading ya because of no sign on it. And swad means don't stop here. When you read bil huda, fama, join fama, continuously read here on swad. Don't pause here, don't stop here. Ma rabihat tijaratuhum wa ma kanu fama. There is alif madda when fatha come before alif and alif has no sign on it. We stretch alif up to one alif. Mim alif fatha ma. This is alif madda. Stretch it up to one finger. Fama rabihat. We read ra with a thick voice when ra has a fatha or zamma sign on it. Ra fatha ra. Ba kasra bi, ha ta fatha hat. We will join this ha with this ta because of tashdid sign, and when we read second time this ta, we will put a stress and we will take a minor slight pause, like ha ta fatha hatta kasrati hatti hatti. Read ha from the middle of your throat. Don't exchange it with the bottom part of the throat like Robbie Hat. No, this is not Robbie Hat. This is Robbie Hat. Ha from the middle of your throat. Tija. Again, this is Alif Madda. There is a Zabar Fatha before Alif. So stretch it up to one finger. Jim Alif Fatha Ja. Tija Ratuhum. Read raw also with a thick voice. Both raw we will read this raw with a thick voice because of fatha on it. to whom. This is half from the bottom part of your throat. So to whom. Wama. Stretch alif madda again. Ka also contain alif madda. Stretch it. Nu contain waw madda. When zamma come before waw sakin, you stretch waw up to one finger. So stretch it up to one finger. Noon waw zamma nu. Wama kanu. Fama rabihat tijaratuhum wama kanu muhtadin. Mim ha zamma muh. Ta fathata. We read ta from the tip of the tongue touching the roots of upper two front teeth. Ta fathata. Dal ya kasra di. Ta and dal have same pronunciation. Also stretch ya because of ya madda. When kasra come before ya sakina, ya has a jazm sign on it, and before ya sakina kasra come, then you stretch ya up to one finger. So stretch it up to one finger. Muhtadin. Make noon sakin because of waqf. Before waqf, if the last letter contain fatha kasra zama, we make it sakin. It means only the voice of noon will show here. And you can stretch letters of madda because of waqf sign up to three fingers here. Muhtadin.